You can also walk on the railway tracks. Probably not advisable for you to do, but I don't see any trains so far, so it might be kind of safe to do so. Now, Hua Hin train station would probably be one of the most beautiful train stations in Thailand. It has its famous iconic red and white color to it that was built in 1926 to replace the previous station. It has this Victorian gingerbread design with lots of carved wood pillars and trim. You'll find this exact design spread throughout the small town of Hua Hin, showing its pride of the train station. Back in the day, European expats would travel from as far down as Penang and Singapore to enjoy the seaside vacation in Hua Hin. It was built for tourism back in the day as well, with its famous hotels and golf courses built around the same 1920 period. So let's take a short tour of the Hua Hin train station right now. But there's a cute little train station right here, and eventually we'll get across the street here. Another dog on the streets. Alright, so here is the famous Hua Hin sign. This is what it looks like. Tourist information, we have the timetable there. I like how it's painted red and has this beige color to it. Small little station. Not sure why there's a police officer here, but it's interesting. Oh, okay, it's because we're right in front of the Hua Hin Railway Police. So this is essentially what the station looks like. It's a cute little station. It's really popular actually with the tourists and the locals. It has a lot of history here, so it's a place where you want to just hang out, just for if you have some things you wanted to do here in Hua Hin. Do come and visit here. It's pretty fun to walk around. You can also walk on the railway tracks. Probably not advisable for you to do, but I don't see any trains so far, so it might be kind of safe to do so. It's a fun little experience here. But there's a lot of character here for sure. So this is the map of Hua Hin, and we are right here, and this is the downtown area. of Hua Hin. So this is the area that we're currently walking around. It is very much an active train station. I see people buying tickets here, but it's a lot of mixtures of tourists and other people just walking through this train station. But it's a lot of fun with a lot of activity. And I'm not actually sure who's actual passengers and who are tourists. So it's kind of a mixture of everybody. You also find dogs walking around here as well.
Please attend platform number 1. This is train number 170 for Yala to Bangkok.
See, it is an active station. It's actual passengers getting on. Although it does look like a museum, but of some sort. But it's very much an active train station. So everyone's getting on their train right now. They have all the luggage on the ground there to load it up. But you can also see people waiting on the trains as well. So it's a pretty popular place for tourists to come to. So that was definitely a fun little experience at the train station. Got to really figure out how the train system with its passengers and its conductors handle everything here in Hua Hin, Thailand. There are certain areas I want to walk in the back there, but looks like there's a bunch of dogs guarding it, so